In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Avada Seo with Shopify. To begin, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where you manage your store settings, apps, products, and everything else related to your Shopify site. Once you are inside the dashboard, look for the Settings area and then click into Apps. This is the section where you can manage the apps already connected to your store and also begin adding new ones. From there, navigate to the Shopify App Store. The App Store is where Shopify merchants can find tools that add extra features and improvements to their store. In the search bar, type Avada Seo Image Optimizer. You may also be able to find it by searching simply for Avada Seo. When the app appears in the results, click on it to open the app listing page. Take a moment to review the listing so you can confirm that you are selecting the correct app. This is also a good time to glance over the app description and general purpose, since Avada Seo is designed to help improve store optimization, including image SEO and performance-related enhancements. Once you are ready, click Install. Shopify will then show you the app permissions screen. This page explains what access the app needs in order to work properly with your store. Review those permission requirements carefully so you understand what the app will be able to access and manage. If everything looks good, click Install App again to confirm the integration. After that, Shopify will begin the connection process and redirect you automatically. Once the redirect is complete, you will land inside the Avada onboarding wizard. This setup flow is designed to help you get started quickly and make sure the app can begin analyzing your store correctly. Follow the brief initial prompts shown in the onboarding wizard. These prompts are there to guide the app through its first scan of your store. During this process, Avada will check for immediate opportunities to improve speed and SEO performance. This can help you identify quick wins right away, especially if your store has images or settings that can be optimized. Move through each prompt carefully and allow the scan to complete. It only takes a short time and it gives the app the information it needs to begin working effectively with your Shopify store. Once that is done, Avada Seo will be integrated with Shopify and ready for you to continue with its optimization features. That covers everything you need to know.